Highway construction compliance overwhelming your team? Missing safety checks, regulatory risks, and manual tracking slowing you down? Introducing Waylert, AI-powered Safety CRM, ensuring compliance before incidents occur. AI generates project-specific compliance checklists automatically. Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, MUTCD, and Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA covered, hassle-free. Real-time task assignments with integrated safety checklists. Crews stay compliant from anywhere. Geofencing tracks check-ins automatically. Every action logged, every hour accounted for. One-click SOS alerts, instant incident reporting. Safety documentation secured and time-stamped. Streamlined crew communication, real-time inventory tracking, and instant cost visibility. Powerful analytics, real-time alerts, multilingual support. One intelligent platform. Waylert, a one-stop solution for safety and compliance.